Okay, the other law that we're going to deal with for non-right triangles is the law of sine. And so we're going to do a little proof here. It's pretty quick. So here's a diagram. This is little c here. And write a trig equation using CH, side C, side H, and angle A. And so that'll be sine of angle A is equal to H over C, opposite over hypotenuse. Trig equation using AH and angle C. So the sine of angle C is equal to H over little a. Solve both of these for H. So H is equal to C sine A, and also H is equal to A sine C. And now I can set these equal to each other. And so I get C sine A is equal to A sine C. And hopefully you can see that this is the same as this, right? If I were to cross multiply here, I would get exactly the same thing as that. Okay, so, and this is the formula for the law of sine. So the law of sine is the sine of A over little a is equal to the sine of B over little b equals the sine of big angle C over little side C. You're only going to use two of these at a time. Use two at a time. Okay, and the times you're going to use this is you're going to use this when you have angle, angle, side, or angle, side, angle. And I'm going to add here that the bad word does work, but I'm going to say sometimes, okay? And hopefully we'll get a chance to talk about why it's sometimes. All right, let's flip to the back side and try a couple problems here. You'll find that these problems are actually pretty easy. Okay, so here's some problems on the back side. Here I'm given angle, angle, side. I know I can find this angle also, which is 38. And what I'm looking for here is I am looking for side B, this little side B here. And I'm looking for opposite side and angle combinations. So opposite side and angle like that. Because that's how I'm going to set up my law of sine. So for example, the sine of 59 is going to be over 350. And that's going to be equal to this combination right here. The sine of 38 over b. And then I can solve for b by cross multiplying, and you're going to get b is equal to 251.39. Okay, so check it. Make sure you can do that and make sure you get the right answer. Try another one here. You're looking for angle C here. You have this combination, and it looks like you have this, and you can find angle B. So in this case, you're going to have to find angle B first, and then just subtract from 180 to find angle C. So it's going to be the sine of 69 divided by 250 is equal to the sine of angle B over 150. And hopefully you can see here that you're going to end up needing to do some inverse sine, because you're going to do cross multiply. It's going to be 250 sine B equals 150 sine 69. Divide both sides by 250. And you basically just need to, in order to solve for B, because we're looking for an angle measure, you need to do the inverse sine of both sides. Angle B will end up being 34.07, which then leaves you with 76.93 as your angle measure for angle C. Okay, and then just want to point out one thing down below. If it gives you something like this, that basically means solve the triangle. So use either law of sine, law of cosine, to find all the rest of the angles, all the rest of the sides, whatever's left over. And that's it. I'm going to stop here and let you try some problems on your own. I think you'll find the law of sine to be pretty easy. Okay? Take care.